Hello there, and welcome back to the Speak English podcast, the place where English starts making sense. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I've got to tell you something interesting. While I've been prepping this episode for you, our dear friend Christopher has been out exploring Dubai again. And guess where I spotted him? Walking through the charming lanes of old Dubai, completely in awe of the culture, the souks, and yes, the food too. If you haven't seen that episode yet, I'll tag it right here. Make sure you check it out after this one. It's a fun watch. All right, back to today's topic, the only way to become fluent in English. Let's be honest, there are thousands of tips and tricks out there. Watch English shows, read books, memorize vocabulary, and the list goes on. But here's the truth. Fluency doesn't come from knowing English. It comes from using English. Yes, you heard me right. The only way to become fluent is to use English every single day, not just in your head, but out loud. Speak, think, respond, repeat. Now, does that mean you need to speak perfectly? Absolutely not. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. You can start small. Talk to yourself in English when you're brushing your teeth. Describe what you see around you. Say out loud what you're thinking in English. No one's watching. And even if they are, who cares? You're learning. And here's a secret. You can't improve your spoken English if you're only listening. You've got to open your mouth and speak. So, here's a little challenge for you. For the next 7 days, I want you to pick one simple topic each day, like my daily routine or my favorite food, and speak about it in English for just 2 minutes. You can record yourself, or even pretend you're hosting a podcast like me. You'll be surprised how quickly you start feeling more natural and fluent. Because fluency doesn't come overnight, but it also doesn't take forever. It comes from consistency. So, are you ready to stop just learning English and start living it? That's all for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend who's learning English too. And remember, fluency isn't a dream, it's a habit. Until next time, this is Augustus, helping you speak English with ease and confidence. Bye for now.